Welcome once again to our channel. In today's video, we'll give you the step-by-step process to create a web page like this. So here we have the icons over here, and when you come to the menu bar too, we have the logo, we have home, we have design, about, contact, and also the bar. So we'll give you the step-by-step process on how to create such kind of design such kind of website. So we'll give you the step-by-step process to design a web page like this. So there's the body part, book now. When you click on home, it will take you to next page. When you click on design, it will also take you to next page. So that's how the thing be. So we'll give you the step-by-step process to do something like this. So stay tuned and be with us till the end of the video. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So I'll go to my web, my Visual Studio Code app. So I'll go to my folders. So when you go to your folders, you create a folder for the project that you are working on. So the name of my folder is project. I've named it folder project. So when I open the folder, you can see there is nothing inside. The folder is empty. So I'm going to create some HTML and CSS files in this folder. So this is the folder that I'll keep all my HTML resources in. So I'll use this background. So I'll copy, then paste it in that folder. I will send this background to you if you want to use it for your projects. So right now I'm done importing the picture in the folder. So I'm going to Visual Studio Code, then click on File, then select Open Folder. So I'll click on Open Folder, then select the folder that I just created. So I'll select the folder which is project, then click on Select Folder. So the moment I click on Select Folder, my thing will automatically drop at the Explorer my picture. So I'm going to create file for CSS and HTML. So I'll click on File, click on New File. So I'll enter project, then press enter, then add the .html, then click on enter. So that's how the thing be. Then I'll create another one for CSS as well. So that one I'll just name it proj, then add the .css to it. So that's that. So I'll go to the project, then hit on the shift key and 1, which will give me the abbreviation. So I'll press enter to give me the formats. Then I will link the CSS and document with the HTML. So when you come to the title here, you press enter, then it will give you a space, then you enter less than link. You don't need to give a space after entering the less than sign, then rel, undo, rel, then I'll select the first one, then enter style sheet, then enter href, then I'll enter the name of the CSS file, which is proj.css. css, then greater than sign. That is that. So I'll go to my CSS document, then enter the body, then enter background image URL, then enter the name of the background picture. So this is the name of the background picture, moo.jpg. So I'll provide this in the background picture for you. So I'll provide it. So that's how it is. So I'll just click on save, then go to my HTML document, then open it and see if it will come. So I'll open it with Live Server. You can also preview it and see. So here is it. But here when I zoom out, you can see that my background, it has been repeated over here. So you can see it has been repeated, and the size is also it hasn't filled the entire space. So I'm just going to choose one of the background, then use it for the work. I don't want it to repeat like this, so I'll just go back and modify it. So first I will enter background, then repeat. So since I don't want the background to be repeated, I will select no repeat. So I'll save, then go there and show it to you. So here you can see when I selected no repeat, only one has been selected for me. So that's how it is. So I'm going to expand only this for it to fill the entire space. I'll go back, then enter background attachment. So for the attachment, I'll select fixed, background attachment fixed, then background size, that one too, I'll select cover, then go there. So here you could see the background has now filled the entire space. So that's that. I'll go back again, then set for the height. So the height, it will be 95 VH. Then the display, I'll choose flex display. I'll select flex, then margin top, select 25 pixels. So that is that. So this is how my background looks like. So right now what I'm going to do is to set for the toolbar. So I'm going to set for the toolbar. So I'll go back to my HTML file. Then under the body, I will enter div class. div, then give a space, then enter class, then type top bar. Then under that, I'll create a navigation bar too as well. Nav, then heading 1, H1. So for the H1, I'll give a space here, then type class, logo, then come to here in between the sign, the greater than and the less than sign. That's where you type arrival, your logo name. Then click on save. I'll preview my work for you to see. So that's how it looks like. So right now what I'm going to do is to create a navigation list. I'll create a navigation list. So first of all, I'll come to under the navigation, I'll hit enter, then type UL LI small letter A, then here I'll give a space HREF, then come to the in between the distance, the greater than and the less than, I will type home or in caps. I'll click on save, then preview it for you to see. So that's how the thing looks like. So right now what I'm going to do here is to copy this, then paste. So I'll change the home to design. So right now what I'm going to do is to create this thing. Go to my CSS file, then modify the navigation list. So I'll enter dot top bar, bracket, margin left 92 pesos. I'll save. So that's how it is. Then go back, then enter wave. The wave 2,100 pesos. Then enter height 80 pesos. Then background radial gradient RGBA. So this thing, the color gradient, the RGB stand for red, green, blue, and the A is the alpha. So the alpha gradient. Then I'll give a bracket. I'll type a bracket. (225, 225, since the distance is 3, the color we have red, green, blue. So the 225 is for the first one, the red, the second one too is for the green, the third one is for the blue. So you could see the moment I enter these three values over there, the color just appeared over here. So you can just click on this box over here to change the color anyhow you want to set the background. So I'll just click on the blue. So that is that. Then for the alpha gradient, so here the moment I chose the blue color, the gradient color has been changed, but I want to maintain the 225. Then for the alpha gradient, that one too is 0, 0.6. Then I'll click on save. Then preview my work. So that is that. Then I'll come to box shadow. So for the box shadow, I'll enter 0, then give a space, 0, give a space, enter 10 pesos, which is the alpha value, then give a space, RGBA, red, green, blue, and the alpha value. Box border radius 20 pesos. text align left, then I'll click on save, then preview it for you to see. So I'll go to my HTML file, then on the top of the top bar, I'll type the div class, give a space class, then enter all. I'll click on save, cut this one, then paste it here. So the next thing that I will do is to modify the logo. So the color of the logo is orange. I'll preview my work for you to see. So yeah, you can see the logo over here. So what I'm going to do is to change the logo color, but before that we'll delete this, then preview my work. So that's how the thing looks like. So make sure the div for this one is being deleted, the all. So let your work follow the same format like this. So after the class all, then you come to the top bar. You don't need to bring a closing tag for the div, for the all. You don't need to bring a closing tag for that. If you bring a closing tag, you won't see the logo over there. So that's how the thing is. So I'll modify this one. I will